Well, I fear I haven't made it very far. The weather's kind of nasty and I'm just feeling kind of lazy. So I'm at Black Rose in Chambersburg. Let's go in and see what we can find. Well, looks like I caught them right as they restocked. These are new though. I'm not a big fan of the new stuff. And I love all the crackle glass, although that hasn't been selling for me as well as it has in the past. What about the carnival glass vase? $19 and 20% off. That's a really good price. Yeah, I think for $15.20, I would be remiss if I didn't pick that up. Oh, it matches my bracelets. Looks like the poodle guy brought some more in. He's fantastic, $12, no discount. He's got a little bit of paint loss. That's a little bit more than I'd like to spend on that. But I also noticed the fuzzy ceramic one. Oh, it's like broken as what? I was gonna say, I got really excited about that one. I had a lot of fun going through this booth with all the jewelry. Oh my gosh, look at that purple buffalo. That thing is ridiculous. It's got a little age to it too. That is unique, isn't it? $7. It's a little more than I'd like to spend, even though it's fair. And I have 2 of those right now that I haven't sold yet. What is this thing? Oh, it's part of like, oh, I'm not sure what's going on there. Oh my gosh, this thing is probably new and coated with nickel, but I need to know how much it is. $5. This is, ooh, oh my gosh, let me pick that up. Don't worry, I got it. Maybe I don't got it. I'll be right back. Yes, so just as I had suspected, it does have nickel in it, but it is Betsy Johnson. It's $5. It's fabulous. I love the rhinestone cherries too. I think this would be fun to bring to my live sale with Yvonne. So I'm gonna get that. What else can we find in here? Well, look at these. Those are fun. I've never seen this set before. They're usually lambs. I've never seen the giraffe version for $6. Is that right? Yeah, $6. I'm gonna scoop these up. These ones are kind of fun too. They're plastic. They're definitely different. They're hand painted. They're only $2. I kind of want to get them, but I'm not sure how well they'd sell. I mean, I'd definitely be able to make a couple dollars off of them. I'm a little hesitant. I'm currently debating picking this up. This little coin purse. It's so cute. It's just got a little too much discoloration, I should say, for my taste. I just love the star print. It's super unique. It's $9. Do I see a discount sign? I don't. I think that's just a little more than I'd like to spend, though it's a really good deal still. It's just so cute. Stars. Yeah, that stain on the side is a little bit much for me. Dang. Oh my gosh. Is that Edward Mobley? $20. Sun rubber. Oh yeah, I've had this one before. And 20% off. Oh, it's kind of busted. Its tail is ripped off. That stinks. That's an awesome one. It doesn't squeak anymore either. It's just got a little too much going on for me to pick up at that price. So these are hobbyist ones, but look at how cute they are. $4 and 20% off. I think I'm gonna get that. I mean, they're not like the fabulous chalkware ones that I saw at Lancaster, but still, they're really fun and they're priced right. So this one would be $6.40. The other one would be like $3 something. And then this Enesco elf caught my eye. 20% off though. That's a pretty good deal. I think this one last sold for like $28, $29, maybe more. I think mine had a nick on it. Oh, it's just a little bit more than I'd like to spend. Ah. Oh my gosh. Look at this bear. I love him. Okay, so somebody might be mad at me, but the more I walk around with these elephants, the more there's something about them it's just changing my mind. I'm sorry, but I'm putting them back. I'm afraid I might be in kind of a weird mood today. I wasn't aware of it until I got out here, so I'm gonna check out with my 3 measly items, and I guess I'll see you guys when I get to my next stop. So I only spent $26 in there. I haven't decided where I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna get in the car and see where it takes me. So I just got to the Fayetteville Antique and Craft Mall. It's been so long since I've been here because I know one of my favorite vendors moved out that I don't know what to expect. So I thought I'd give it another shot. Let's go in and see what we can find. Oh my gosh, I love that metal enamel ashtray set. It's $19 for 3. Those are so neat. So this is different. I wonder if they've closed their other booths. What is this little dog figurine? That is so cute. $4. I think we have $4 for him. And this is very cool. Seashell framed Jesus, and it's only $8, and it's way lighter weight than I thought it would be. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this too. That is neat. Oh my gosh, look at this stuffed poodle. How fantastic is it? It's got floppy neck syndrome. It's $15. My plush have not been selling well, honestly, so I'm nervous to pick it up. I normally would jump on this, but it's been kind of rough for the plush recently. I don't know if I could make enough profit off that. I had one in my last sale that was like, oh my gosh, look at this cat figurine. That's adorable. For $4, I'll get that too. I had one in my last sale that was really fantastic, but I put like 25 on it and it didn't sell, so it might be SOL on that one. But we have a little Kittle stole. That's only $6. That's pretty cute. I think I could make a couple bucks on that. Little Kittles is pretty popular. And of course it just started pouring rain, so I'm glad I didn't go as far as I planned today. That's sweet. Very small, probably a lot of nickel. That looks new. That one's too boring for me. Lots of cute stuff. This is kind of neat. So I'm glad to see they didn't close this booth at least. Oh my gosh, look at this fun purple hat. I keep waiting for something to pop out at me, but nothing really is. This apron is really cute with the embroidery. I love that. Look at this cat. Looks like maybe, definitely newer, maybe Mexico. It's kind of neat. Oh my gosh, look at these guys. Those have some serious, okay, I was gonna say serious age to them, but unfortunately they know it at $40 for the pair. So I love the Napco bank, but that's at 30, excuse me. This one's at 24. This is the one I'm really into. I think I could make a couple bucks off of it, but I still think it's a little bit too much to feel confident about spending that much up front, especially since it's got a little nick. That is really unusual though. Oh my gosh, how much fun are these? They're like from, well, the tops are old Carnival. That's neat. I also kind of love whatever weird thing this is. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a price. What are these? How much fun is this? Vintage jelly bracelets. And it's the whole stack for $6. I think I'm gonna get these. That would be really fun. I'm just gonna sell it as is, as a set. Someone's gonna be really excited to see these. I better post this before I change my mind. Well, there's a couple things here, like the air just kicked on, so it's gonna be a little loud. Of course, the Tiffany blue, $30. And this little vanity mirror with the lipstick holder is so sweet, but 40 is a little crazy. A little crazy. I think we all know what I'm looking at. How much are you? These are, oh, there it is. $20 as is though. Dang, I'm assuming it doesn't work. Hold on. Yeah, unfortunately it's locked up. Those little lacquered boxes, especially with the ballerinas, usually sell pretty well. but I don't want to buy a broken one for 20 bucks.
Well, that was fun. I'm so excited I found that huge thing of jelly bracelets. I spent $28 in there. It looks like the rain has stopped, at least for now. At least I can say I did it. I'm not gonna go back there again for a while because I'm going on my trip. Yay! Anyway, I'm gonna keep going and I'll see you guys when I get to my next stop.